Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Princess Peach. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes and we're going to draw the bottom first. And we're going to draw sort of a curvy line. And then the top of the eye, we're going to make it nice and round and connect it back to the bottom. And let's do the same on the other side as well. And then the light reflections, as we always do. The pupil with the light reflections. And let's do the other side as well. And of course the iris. Now after we finish with the iris, we're going to draw the eyelashes as well. Now right on top, we're going to draw the little eyelashes. There's one, and on this side there's the other one. Let's fill the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little nose, and then right below that, we're going to draw a smile. So a soft little smile bending upwards, and you're going to draw a top lip, and of course the bottom lip as well. Now we can go to the hair. Now I'm going to start here in the middle, and I'm just going to bring a piece of hair down and a swerve back up. And from here, we'll bring another hair up, maybe a hair sticking out like this. And now we're going to go here, and you're just going to bring a line out, and on the other side you're going to do as well. Just curve, let it curve out. We're going to do the top of the head first. I'm going to bring the line in, and then I'm just going to take it all the way to the top, and I'm going to stop right there. Now here I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to curve it downwards and a zigzag line, and there we go. And maybe we can just make a little bit of a hair line there as well. Now right above, I want to draw her crown first. So let's start with the jewels in her crown. So we have an oval shape, and this you're going to make a bigger one, and then on this side you're going to do the same thing as well. You're going to make an oval shape, you're going to do that, and we're going to make another jewel right here as well. There we go. And then we can just draw a straight line through, another straight line. So I leave a wider gap, and I just make these lines closer together. Right, and now here in the middle, I'll draw the crown, and then I'll start there, connect it back, and then here, and connect it to the jewel there as well. And there's our crown. Now we're gonna continue with her hair. On this side, I'm gonna draw hair curling inwards, and maybe a zigzag line, and I'll take it back and connect it to her hair on this side. Let's do the same on this side as well. You're going to zigzag line, and then you're just going to connect it back. And now that we have this hair, we can draw her jawline. And I'll draw a jawline right there and connect it. Now we're going to go to her body. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the collar of a dress. And then from there, you're just going to connect her neck to the collar. And now it's time for a torso. So the first thing I'll do, I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw a line curving outwards, and on this side as well, almost like a bell shape. And then you're going to curve it inwards, an upwards curve, and then inwards to a point. And then in the middle, you're going to draw a jewel again. Now that we're done with that, we're going to continue with the dress. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw the size of a dress, bring it out, and then we're going to bring another line in, and on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. Just going to draw a line upwards, and on this side we're going to draw another one downwards. Now we can draw her shoulders, her arms, and her forearms. Now on this side, I'm going to make two little U shapes. And then from this U shape, you're going to draw a shoulder upwards. And you're going to connect that one back as well. Now here, draw it upwards, connect it, and a smaller one there as well. Then we're going to draw her arms. Let's do the same on this side as well. And then we're going to draw her gloves and her hands. Let's do the same on this side as well. Gloves and hands. And connect it to her dress. Now we can continue with her hair. Now on this side, I'm going to draw a piece of hair sticking out, curling out, back. You can do it any way you want. It doesn't need to be precisely like mine. And on this side, let's do the same thing. And you just draw the hair you want, the way you like it. There we go, and there's the hair going downwards. And now we can continue with the dress. Now I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a dress. Make it nice and soft curve, and then bring it up, bring it over, and connect it like this. And on this side, you're going to connect it there as well. Now what we can do, we can draw a little line here, and another one going down. And right here, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to draw a line through the bottom of the dress. And on this side, we're going to start right here, and we're going to take it upwards, and we're going to connect it back. And there's Princess Peach. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.